In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to actually survive hot temperatures in LEGO Fortnite. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, what you're going to need to do before going into any hot temperatures is you're going to find some Frostlands biome. Now, I don't know if it's too cold to actually survive, but what you're going to need to do is super quick, if it is too cold to survive, is you're going to super quickly go into the Frostlands and harvest these berries. Now, as you can see, I just harvested them and an item recipe also just came up. So after that, you're going to go back into your grasslands and you're going to be able to actually create some food. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your inventory, food and beverages, and it's going to, as you can see, it says eat to temporarily increase heat resistance. And then you can also create a snowberry shake, which does it for 10 minutes, whereas this one is only 2. That's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.